Hi, I'm Jacob. Thank you for visiting our video. Are you ready to change what is not working in your life? Are you ready to be joyful, to experience more meaning in your life? Find out why our team can provide you the best services for your needs. Hundreds of clients can't be wrong. Check out the following video.
Considering to find the top solar panels for your home. There are various methods to do this. Here, you will determine certain great types to finding the top solar panels for your house. As such, let us look at manufacturing solar panels that are top for your requirements. The leading step is to know your requirements. This is a big important, because it can create all the variance. The main point to recall about all this, is that you can really go through and acquire the greatest. There are the opinions of plenty of space, and while you find that you have lots of space, you can save lots of money, by obtaining a solar panels that really has a lower effectiveness, but is inexpensive. Purchasing the best solar panels is a large essential, while you deliberate that these solar power panels will last as long as numerous mortgages do. One is that you have either a plenty of space or a deficiency of space. While you expression for solar power panels for your house, you will find that you really come across somewhat called competence. This can be prepared through the internet, and can bring up certain great results. By so many selections on the internet, this is an inordinate method to understand the dissimilar selections that exist. The consequences then is to go over and find the greatest options for your requirements. This is a great influence in the solar power panels. While you aspect at solar power panels, you will find certain great cheap choices, and it can make all the variance, though, this brings up extra factor, which is space. If you need to find the best, then considering your requirements is the first step. Thus, how can you meet your requirements? Taking an expression at solar power, you will discover that you either have an essential for more space or have a plenty of space. They have a definite amount on the light hit on the solar cells, though, the amount of electricity formed is called the effectiveness, and this is a large factor in the consequences you get. There are certain options for greater effectiveness, but they can come to be very classy. The important is to go over and research your options. There are several stores, so spending an hour or two can result in certain big time and money savings. There is no need for that. Visit the link in the description for more details.
So, if you want to find out more information about us, check out the link below.